Today, we're going to try and cut some carbide. Got a slug out of a die, so we're going to try and get this cut. And it's an interrupted cut. I got a CBN insert, not the correct tool holder for it, but we're going to try and use this to make it work. That Y again, because I am what they call a dum-dum. I want to give me the best chance of not blowing it up. Looking true. Alright, let's give this a shot. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face. That would be ideal. Going extra slow. Alright, there we go. That's Z-touch. So we're cutting. Heavier on the outside. I'm guessing warp from the EDM. That didn't sound great. Can't tell if that's fucked up from before or new. As you can see, we were able to successfully cut it. Tool doesn't seem that much worse for the wear from what it started from, so. And again, these were CBN specifically for interrupted cut. I've never used them on Carbide, but typically use them on just general hardened interrupted cut steel. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and if you want to see me do anything else or keep working on this Carbide, maybe get the right tool and do it the correct way, drop a comment, maybe a suggestion, do a like, follow, all that jazz. Thanks a lot.